Hello and welcome to California University of Pennsylvania Smart Classroom Training Series. My name is CJ DeJulius. I'm the Instructional Technology Manager here in the Teaching and Learning Center. Today I'm going to be providing you with tutorials on how to operate the Level 1 Basic Smart Classrooms here on campus. Those rooms are currently located in DUTA 202, DUTA 210, DUTA 211, DUTA 212, DUTA 303, and DUTA 313, along with Eberly 246, Eberly 250, Eberly 251, Eberly 255, and Eberly 266. In addition, there will be other rooms added over the next year. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. When entering any of those rooms that I just listed, you will need to locate the Crestron touch panel, which is a 4-inch touch panel located at the instructor's lectern. Typically, when you see the touch panel, it's going to appear blank. There is a motion sensor located at the top of the touch panel. You will simply need to wave your hand in front of that sensor in order to wake the panel up. Once that is done, the screen that you see in front of you here will appear. There are two different operational modes for these Level 1 classrooms. The operational mode number 1 is very basic and allows you to control the lighting within the room without utilizing any of the HD multimedia equipment. In order to control the lighting, all you'll need to do is locate the lighting button at the top of the touch panel, click on it, and then you will see it will bring up the lighting control. There are several different options available to you here. The close option simply closes the screen. 1, 2, 3, and 4 are presets that have already been predetermined. Preset 1 has been established for presentation mode. It is an optimal setting for presenting in that room. Preset 2 is also the same. However, if the room has can lights near the exit, it will also illuminate the can lights when selecting preset 2. Preset 3 turns all the lights on available within that room. Preset 4 will illuminate the lights near the whiteboard. And the off button will simply turn the lights off. I'm going to close this window now. And if you need to utilize the multimedia HD equipment available in that room, you will need to locate the System Start button below, as seen here. Simply click the System Start button, and the screen will come down within the room and the projector will start up. As you can see above, you need to wait until the projector warms. Once the projector is fully warmed up, you are ready to go. Over here to the left-hand side, you will see the Sources option. The Sources options are all the sources that are available for you to utilize within that room. The laptop source would be if you're connecting a laptop or a mobile device to the VGA connections located at the instructor's podium. You will need to connect the cables, and then once they're connected, select the laptop. However, some laptops do require you to use a function option in order to send your image to the screen. You will need to consult the manufacturer's documentation to find out what that option is. I would recommend making sure the laptop is turned completely off, connect the VGA and audio connections, and boot the system up, and typically that will automatically detect the video projector and it will send the image to the screen. In addition, the PC option is for the computer system located at the instructor's lectern. As you can see, it is currently selected because it is indicated in red. So the PC is currently being sent to the projection system within that room along with the audio. The audio can be adjusted using the volume up and down controls located here to the right, and you can also mute that based on your needs. The next option that is available to you is the document camera. The document camera is also located at the instructor's lectern. When selecting the document camera, it automatically powers on the system and the image is sent to the projection system within that room. The options available for utilizing the document camera are on and off. This simply will turn the unit on. This button would only be necessary if the unit is not powered on automatically when selecting document camera. The off button would be utilized when you are completely finished using the document camera during your course. The picture mute option will picture mute the image so that it cannot be seen by the students within the classroom. The auto image will adjust the image if it seems distorted or is not showing up properly. The zoom out function will zoom out for the content that is being shown on the document camera. The zoom in option will zoom in to the content that you are showing on the document camera. The light button can be selected several times in order to switch from your base light to your upper lamp or simply toggle the lights off depending on your needs. The next option that is available is the Blu-ray/DVD player. If you are going to be showing a Blu-ray or DVD in your course, you can simply select the Blu-ray player. It is also located below the instructor's podium. You will need to open the doors on the instructor's podium and select the power on button for the Blu-ray. Insert your Blu-ray or DVD media, and then you have your options available to you. Once again, the picture mute will picture mute so that the students cannot see the content being shown on the screen. The auto image would also adjust the image. These are available for all the options. You have your play, your pause, your stop, your skip back, skip forward, and you have your rewind and fast forward options. You can go into the DVD menu and use the scroll options available here and the OK option to select anything that would be necessary. Once again, you can control your volume within the classroom using the volume control here, and you can mute it. The system power option is where you will go if you would like to do a screen up command or turn the projectors on and off. These typically are not necessary. The screen down and screen up command are very useful though. If you have something that you're showing on your screen, however you'd like to use the whiteboard and the screen is covering it, you can simply hit the screen up command, and when you do so, the projector will video mute. It does not power off, which means whenever you hit the screen down command, it will come back on instantly. You can utilize the whiteboard and, as mentioned, select the screen down command. When you're finished utilizing the whiteboard, your image will appear and your image will come on instantly. This is also where you shut the system down. We are now completed with the tutorial, so I'm going to show you how to do a total system shutdown. Simply select the total system shutdown option. It will prompt you saying, are you sure that you really want to shut the system down? And in this case we are, so we would select yes. If you would hit no, because you may have hit this button by mistake, it would simply resume back to your previous menu. I'm going to tell it to shut the system down, and this concludes the tutorial. You can simply exit the room, shut the lights off using the touch panel, and also make sure that you've logged off the instructor's computer system if you have logged into it. I thank you. And also, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact the Teaching and Learning Center.